the resurrection of an icon. Jensen International Automotive unveils the Interceptor GTX. Jensen International Automotive (JIA) is moving beyond simple restorations to a full-scale rebirth of a British legend. The company has officially announced that its upcoming flagship model will be named the Jensen Interceptor GTX, marking the transition from maintaining vintage classics to engineering a modern successor. From restorations to a clean-sheet design for years, JIA has kept the Jensen legacy alive by restoring original Interceptors and retrofitting them with modern V8 engines. However, the Interceptor GTX represents a significant leap forward. Unlike the modified classics, this new vehicle will feature a clean-sheet design, built from the ground up to meet modern performance standards while honoring its heritage. Key technical details released so far include chassis and amp, body, a lightweight, hand-built aluminum chassis paired with an aluminum body. Powertrain, a bespoke V8 engine designed specifically for this project. Design language, a distinctive bubble-back profile that pays homage to the original 1960s and 70s models. A legacy reclaimed. The revival of the Interceptor nameplate is more than just a business move. It is a deeply personal endeavor for those involved. JIA revealed that Jeff Cuvale, a prominent figure in the American automotive industry, is playing a central role in the project. Cuvale's connection to the brand is generational. As the son of former Jensen Motors owner Kjell Cuvale, he grew up with close ties to the company's UK manufacturing roots. This lineage suggests that the Interceptor GTX will aim to capture the specific, cosmopolitan spirit of the original car that combined Italian styling, British assembly, and American muscle. Why this matters for the automotive market: the Interceptor GTX enters a niche but growing market for boutique, high-performance grand tourers. By utilizing an all-aluminum construction and a bespoke engine, JIA is positioning the GTX not just as a retro-styled cruiser, but as an ultra-high-performance machine capable of competing with modern luxury sports cars. The challenge for JIA will be balancing the nostalgic aesthetics of the 1972 Mark III era with the rigorous engineering requirements of the 2020s. What to expect next? The world is expected to get its first look at a pre-production prototype very soon, with an official reveal anticipated before the end of June. While specific performance figures and pricing remain under wraps, the focus is clearly on high-end craftsmanship and a return to the visceral driving experience that defined the original Jensen. The Interceptor GTX aims to bridge the gap between nostalgic British grand touring and modern, bespoke supercar performance. In summary, the Jensen Interceptor GTX represents a bold attempt to transform a historic nameplate into a contemporary powerhouse through advanced aluminum engineering and a personalized connection to the brand's storied past.